Hey folks, I'm Joe Crawford of artpunk.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, do the daily target, and record myself doing it. That's what I'm going to do right now. And we have kind of a fun shape. Definitely a fun shape. How do we accomplish this shape? I think it's two very, very specific paragraph elements. So what do we want to do that? We get the hat, and we have the the cylinder. So maybe it's a test tube. Maybe, I don't know. Sort of an oddball shape. Okay, so let's say and even more interesting, we can use border in some interesting ways. So let's do those borders. Border 20 pixels solid. And I think that what I'm going to end up doing, set a background of a var of C or black, and then P plus P becomes C is that. So we got two. So that's a start, a kind of start. I think we're gonna have two different heights here, huh? Yeah, probably. Or not. Maybe we can do something clever here. And with margins, or let's move these margins. Okay, so let's zero in these margins. 22, 3, 4, 5, and margins on the side 100, and really 2, 3, 4, 5, 52. That we care about the most, right? Because those are the margins of the tricky part, which is the test tube. And let's make these margins different. Margin 25. Well, and then if we're going to do that, let's just do 152 here. Okay. And then set a height of 200. And probably want a border radius of, 50 pixels or something. Okay. So let's push this down. 25 on 100, 20, 15, 16, 17. And the height of that guy, I was trying to have the same height for each one, but I don't think that makes any sense. I've already got the border set though, so I think I'm gonna end up masking it all. But let's 4, 3, okay, and then we need a negative margin here. Oh, and unfortunately, hilariously, the second element covers the first. So I have that backwards, probably. So I'm going to say this is A and this is B, and then I'm going to set the first one's A. And we're calling that margin. So that means I can't do what I was talking about. I need 25 here. Yeah. 25, 152. And then the height needs to be 210. So B. Okay. Well, that's a lot of code. Margin B, our height is 30. Background is this var or the color. They both have a border of 20 pixels solid. The margins are not the same. The heights are not the same. So that's fine. And then I think that we spackle over a mask of a conic gradient. Conic gradient at 20 pixels, 40 pixels, red, 75%. So that's the solid color, and then transparent, 0, semicolon, transparent. Oh, we got something wrong there. That mask is not doing what I want it to do. So what did I do wrong? So I think that mask is absolutely not doing what I think it's going to do. And in fact, I think it's interrupting. So if I do what? What do I need to do to test that? The mask is on the wrong figure. I've confused myself. I'm missing a semicolon now. There we go. So that's what I was trying to do. Hilarious. 25, 60, 50. There we go. That's the mask I was thinking of. Let's submit that and see if we're 100%. Not a particularly good effort here today. Kind of disjointed. Lost track of which figure I was doing. They don't care. They don't have a lot in common. The two figures. I mean, I'm trying to share as much as I can, but different margin, different heights. One has an inner color, one doesn't. Trying to use the. I guess you're going to see the warnings about my AirPods battery being low, but I see my audio is good. So anyway, so that's fine. Minify and a final submit, and I think we're done for the day. That's 8 minutes of me rambling and writing code, but we did get to 100% match, which is always our goal. Always fun to write code, CSS, HTML. The world needs web pages. Go make a web page. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other, and I'll see you again. If you come back, if you don't, that's fine too. Don't subscribe. It's all good. All right. See you again. Bye.